Welcome to the final video in our ServiceNow ITOM course. Throughout this series, we explored the entire ITOM ecosystem from discovery and event management to AI powered operation. In this final session, we will focus on how to optimize your ITOM implementation from sustained success. We will cover four key areas: ITSM, ITOM, and ITOps. ITOM governance, health log analytics, best practices. Let's bring it all together. ITSM, ITOM, and ITOps. These three domains, ITSM, ITOM, and ITOps, are often interconnected but serve dif- different purposes. ITSM focus on delivering value through service like incident change and request. ITOM ensures infrastructure and service are always available, healthy, and visible. ITOps involves the day-to-day management of systems, networks, and data centers. When properly integrated, events turn into incidents automatically, chains are linked to CI health, services maps inform impact analysis. Optimizing your environment means aligning all three into a unified service-centric model using ServiceNow. ITOM governance. Optimization is not just about technology, it also requires strong governance. Define ownership, assign roles for maintaining discovery, CMDB, event rules, and service maps. Establish policies, set rules for naming conventions, credentials, update cycles, and approval processes. Use dashboards, monitor adoption and health via dashboard built with performance analytics. Align with business goals. Make sure ITOM supports key initiatives like cost savings, uptime targets, and agility. Good governance creates clarity, accountability, and consistency, which are essential for long term success. Health log analytics. One powerful optimization tool in ServiceNow ITOM is the health log analytics, which complements event management and AI ops. It allows you to collect log data from infrastructure, application, and cloud services, apply AI and machine learning to detect hidden anomalies, correlate log patterns with system events and alerts, troubleshoot faster with the root cause suggestion and historical comparison. This capability turns your logs into actionable insights, helping reduce MTTR and improve reliability. Best practices. Let's close with some practical best practices to keep your ITOM environment optimized. Keep CMDB clean and updated. A healthy CMDB is the foundation of all ITOM processes. Automate wherever possible. Use orchestration, flow designer, and auto remediation. Start small and scale. Implement in phase. Start with discovery, then event management, then AI ops. Measure continuously. Use KPIs, dashboards, and health scores to track progress. Involve stakeholders. Collaborate across teams, IT, security, cloud, DevOps. Optimize is not a one-time task, it's ongoing journey. To wrap up, ITOM optimization helps you get the most value from your investment by aligning operations with business goals, maintaining governance, and continuously improving through analytics and automation. In this video, we explored how ITSM, ITOM, and ITOps work together, the importance of ITOM governance, role of health log analytic, real world best practices for success. This brings us to the end of the ServiceNow ITOM video course. Whether you are just starting out or refining a mature environment, these tools and concepts will help you deliver smarter, faster, and more reliable IT operations. Thank you for joining the journey and we wish you success in your ITOM implementation.